Welcome back to another Lavu tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use Lavu's Pizza Creator. There's lots to cover, so let's get started. The first step is to create forced modifiers that we will use in our Pizza Creator. This will vary based on your restaurant, but for our example, we will create size, crust, sauce, and toppings. Size, crust, and sauce will be choice forced modifiers, while toppings will be a checklist forced modifier. This is important for allowing your customers to order half toppings as well as extra and light options. With our modifiers created, we'll head into pizza settings. Click Enable on this screen if you haven't already, then click on Edit Creators. Give it whatever name you like and click Save. You will now see it added as one of your pizza creators in the gray bar above. If you don't see it, refresh the page. Click on your new creator and we can now start to add our modifiers to it. If you've made a forced modifier group before, this is essentially the same thing with a couple extra steps. Click the Add button, give your first set of options a name like pizza size, attach the forced modifier we created in the previous step, set page and display order to 1, finally click Save. Now we just repeat this process for each of our options, only changing the display order as we need it. You can always rearrange the order of your modifiers later. When you add your toppings, pay special attention to the partial serving price setting. This number will be multiplied by the price of your toppings whenever someone orders a half topping. The default is 0.5, which cuts the price of your topping in half. If you wish to change this, do so now. In this example, I haven't attached any prices to my toppings, so this won't affect me either way. Once you are finished, you should have a pizza creator that looks something like this. We can now move to the final step. Navigate to menu items and create your pizza item if you haven't already. Then attach the pizza creator from the forced modifiers dropdown. Click Save and reload settings on your point of sale. And everything here looks great. We can see the advantage of using pizza creators while selecting our toppings. Options for half, extra, and light are built in and do not need to be created individually. It should be noted that if you plan to charge for extra toppings and the price of that topping will be dependent on the size of pizza, you will need to create separate toppings modifier lists for each size. Then, you can create menu items for each pizza size, with each item connected to its own pizza creator. Alternatively, you can keep your pizza sizes as forced modifiers and have them detour to the pizza creator for the appropriate size. This does minimize how many items show up on the screen, but it does complicate your menu in the control panel quite a bit. There are a lot of different ways we can take these fundamentals and conform them to your unique menu, pricing, specials, and more. If you have any questions or just need assistance creating your menu, please reach out to our 24/7 customer support team. Check out our channel for more tutorials about menu building, printers, and more.